Hello guys, welcome to our channel. You can follow our channel Dinesh 11 MDC. You can see result there. This is my rank for last leaderboard of my 11 circle. I won 5000, but I missed it there. Now I cannot play because of my state. These are the new prizes for the leaderboard. You can see 25,000 as contest and total leaderboard for 5 lakhs. We discuss now my 11 circle point system. Andhra Pradesh people and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka states banned this app. So stay away from this app. Due to this, I am also not playing. My 11 circle is totally different from D11. They have their own point system. Combinations for making team. We can make 1-2 goalkeepers, 1-6 defenders, 1-6 midfielders, and 1-4 forward. We have point system. Let us see. Offensive. Goals scored from penalty have no assist points. Assist will not be given for free kicks and own goals. If we see attack, every goal score forward 15, midfielder 20 and 25. Assist 10 points, passes 5 passes 0.5 and shot on target 5 points. For penalty and 5 points. For no assist given for penalty and for defensive you can see clean sheet of midfielder and defender goalkeeper. Goalkeeper is most important because he will get more points when he saves. So no points for interceptions and tackles will be there. For every successful tackle there will be 2 points. Negative. Yellow card -2, red card -5, every own goal -5, every goal considered by defenders and goalkeeper -2, every penalty missed by forward -5, every penalty considered -2. If playing time before 55 minutes to after 55 minutes it will be 4. Penalty considered by the opposite team player will get negative points. So cap and VC also same 2x as Dream 11. First combination 0-0. We take Italy versus Turkey match as an example. Turkey is weak team, so we keep goalkeeper as cap because more shots will be taken from Italy team, and we can take 6 defenders now. We more tackles take them. Take forwards who takes more shot on target. This is first combination for 0-0. Next second combination 1-0. It for Italy I am favoring. So defensive cap and VC 1-0 and in midfield and forward section take who takes corners and free kicks and set pieces. Please check 1-0 combination of defensive. Next we see third combination 1-0. It is attacking team like we take forward as cap. Mostly penalty taker will be scored and VC as defensive. This is combination for 1-0. Next fourth combination 2-0. Take forward and cap and VC as forwards. Same as before teams corners taker free kick era are most important. Take wingers in defensive for 2-3 combination and 3-0 combinations. Fifth combination 3-0. Same as like 2-0. Take 2 defensive sets remaining all for goal scorers of Italy. Take top goal scorer from other team. That's all for 3-0 combination. Next we take sixth combination 3-1. Forward cap and VC. Take top goal scorer from other team because only one score goal scored from top goal scorer. Otherwise take penalty taken from opponent team. Seventh combination 1-1. Take penalty takers of both teams. Like Ciro Immobile will be on penalty for Italy and Burka Yilmaz for Turkey. If you think Italy will no need of next teams, go with above say combinations by changing players. Suppose if both teams have equal chance of winning, follow next team combinations. Eighth combination 0-1. Same like before, we will keep favor of Turkey. So goalkeeper I keep cap because of more saves from the forwards of Italy. If If you think Turkey will win, go with like this. Ninth combination 0-1. Take penalty keeper from forward and VC as goalkeeper. 10th combination 0-2. Take main blades from Turkey with 0-2 with the defensive team. 0-3. Same as wingers in Turkey team and goal scorers from the into tackles and goal scorer from the Italy. 1-3 combination. Same. Totally high attacking from Turkey. We keep like this team. Take top goal scorer from Italy. Take wingers in defensive. 13th combination. Go with your prediction, small league prediction. It will be better. 14th combination. Take all goal scorers from one team and go with your prediction. But take all wingers in defensive and goalkeepers and forwards who takes goals. 15th combination. Try substitutes because substitutes are the main players who we can get grandly easy. Play with this combination for 20 matches. Definitely will win Grand League. Do not lose confidence and hope. All the best for leaderboard. If you have any doubts or feedback, please leave your comments below in comment section. Thank you guys. See you. Bye.